Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see some basic things that everyone should know about Git and GitHub. Everyone thinks that Git and GitHub are same, but both are completely different. Simply to understand, Git is a version control system that lets you manage and keep track of your source code history. Whereas GitHub is a cloud-based hosting service that lets you manage Git repositories. New to words like version control system and repositories, right? Cool, don't worry. I'll walk you through each of them in detail. So first, we'll see why do we need Git? Because Git is useful in tracking the changes we make to files, so we have record of what has been done. And also, Git makes collaboration easier, allowing changes by multiple people to all be merged into one source. And also, if we go wrong somewhere in the project, we can go back to the previous version of our project where our code worked perfectly all right. And most of the developers use Git in code collaboration because it is very easier for everyone to collaborate code and work on projects. So now I'll drive you through GitHub. We'll discuss how it is useful for us. So basically, GitHub is a web-based version control and collaboration platform for developers. To make it more simple, just like how we use Google Drive to store our photos, videos, and documents, we use GitHub to store our code snippets. So GitHub is open source repository where we can find code snippets and we can also download the available public repositories and also we can push our code into the Git repository. So what is meant by repository? It's nothing but it's just a place where we store the things. Here things is nothing but code. So repository is a place where we store our code. So basically, GitHub has, we can create number of repositories. We can create private repository and public repository. Public repository is the place where everyone can see our code. But private repository is a place where we can store our code, but it remains private to us. No one can see the code we have pushed into the GitHub. So GitHub is used by both non-working people and also working professionals. So we'll take an example, like if there are 4 people who want to work on same project, let us say everyone are there at different locations and also they can't sit on a same computer and write the code, right? Because everyone are in different locations. So in order to do the project and collaborate their project, we use version control system, which is Git, that helps in recording changes made to files by keeping a track of modification done to the code by each and every person who are contributing to that project. Wherein people can work in their own personal workspace and complete their project combinedly using Git and GitHub. And also, just like GitHub, we also have some other code hosting platforms like Bitbucket and GitLab. In those platforms also, we can store our code, make changes using it. Everything is same, but most preferably we use GitHub because it is more user friendly. In all the code hosting platforms, everything is same. We use same commands of Git in order to push code or in order to pull code, but many of them prefer GitHub because it is more user friendly, and so a lot of developers use GitHub. And also we have so many public repositories where we can get some help of code from there. So that's about basic things on Git and GitHub everyone should know. So in the next video, we'll see how to use Git and get to know some Git commands, which will be useful to push code and pull code from the repository. And also, we'll see all the commands related to it and do them practically. So everyone stay tuned to the next video. It will be a lot more interesting because we will be doing them practically. Thank you.